Christmas and welcome back to the channel. So if you clicked on this video, that means you're still shopping or you need some last minute holiday gift ideas or gift guide, which is what I'm going to be sharing in today's video. I have a lot of things, guys. I actually grouped them into 4 different categories. I have home, I have beauty, I have fashion and tech. So definitely stick around and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so where are we gonna start from, guys? I think we're probably just gonna start from fashion, and like I said, most of the things I have here are under $100. So let's start from this gorgeous Steve Madden set. It comes with a hat and also a shawl, guys, and I absolutely love the color. It comes with brown and also the shawl. As you guys can see, I don't want to open this because these gift ideas, guys, are things I bought for my family, for my friends, and yeah, let's just start with this one right here. As you guys can see, this is from Steve Madden, under $100, guys. This right here, I got it from my sister-in-law. If you guys notice, the size is probably, you know, too small for me. She loves shoes like this, guys, and yeah, when I saw it, I was like, listen, you know, she's gonna really love this. And oh my gosh, guys, when I received this shoe, I was like, I probably have to go and get one for myself. And I just love the detail of the shoe. I love the gold details, and also I love, you know, the studs. As you guys can see, it has some studs, you know, going around. Also the heel, you know, it has this molar heels, which I absolutely love. This is like the kind of thing my sister-in-law, she loves shoes like this. This is an absolute perfect time to go for your gift shopping because most things are probably, you know, on sale, or because you guys know Christmas is in a few days time. So yeah, this shoe right here, oh my gosh, this is from Betty Johnson. Absolutely love it, guys. The details on it, I love kind of this petal you know, design on it. It's so freaking gorgeous, guys. When I wore this shoe, I was like, oh my gosh, and it's so comfortable. Look at the heels, guys. I'm the type of person that I'm used to long heels, and now I'm finding myself getting, you know, more into like comfortable heels, because listen, when you're a mom, you're always on the go. So even when you're dressed well, you still need to put on something very comfortable on the feet in case you go ahead running around and things like that. Love this heel, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And the fact that I can wear this with a lot of things. You guys know red, even though red is a very like pronounced color, but it does go with a lot. If there's anything here that catch your eye, definitely check my description box. So I have this very gorgeous kind of neutral cream white purse from Teddy Black. I've been looking for something like this. This reminds me of the Hermes, guys, but of course it's like 90% or 95%, you know, less than Hermes price. But I just love the structure of the purse. I love the color. I love the kind of croc design on it. You know, it's a very beautiful kind of neutral purse that you can wear with a lot of things. You guys know with cream, you can definitely wear cream with anything you want. I'm that kind of person that when I'm thinking of a dress, guys, I'm just thinking of like one piece that is like black, you know, there's nothing much when it comes to dresses. But I'm always very wowed when I have a dress that has a lot of detail to it, that is just not the normal, you know, basically. So I'm talking of this dress right here. As you guys can see, this is so freaking gorgeous. Look at this, the details. I love the petal detail on it, and I love the fact that it has a lot of colors going on. It has cream, it has green, it has red, it has pink, it has, oh my gosh, absolutely in love. And let me tell you guys, one thing I love about this outfit is the fitting. I don't know what it is, but when I had this on, the fitting on my body was just It was perfect. I love the way it cinched my waist, and then it was just the perfect fitting. And of course, all my outfits, I have them in size 10 or size large. This is like a very nice gold. You know, this is perfect for if you're going for maybe your office party, a date night, any party at all, right? For the holiday or even after the holiday, guys. This is perfect. And I'm going to try as much as possible probably to leave the videos, you know, of me wearing this outfit, so using these products by the side so you guys can see exactly how they look. If you're still thinking of something to wear for New Year's Eve or even for Christmas, guys, this dress right here is so freaking gorgeous. I just love the fact that it hugs my body in the right places. It's so cute, and with this you can of course go ahead and throw in maybe a very nice beautiful coat with it, you know, and maybe with your boots if you want to really dress in the winter, you know, look. Maybe a palm, maybe a boots. It all depends on you guys, but I just love the sequin design on it. It's the perfect New Year's Eve outfit. And like I said, for me personally, I wore it of course with my Betty Johnson sandals, but this would also look amazing with maybe a boot, maybe an ankle boot or a knee-high boot. I would say this is like a little, it's not a black dress, but it's a little colorful dress, if I should say, guys. I love it. It's really comfortable. It's very simple, but also has a bit of an edge to it. I love the colors. It came with kind of a green, a brown, a wine on it, and then the background is basically black. When I saw it on the website, I really loved it, so I decided to pick it up. And yeah, all right, so talking about home, if you have kids or you have a family member, a friend that have kids, or just that don't have time, let's just put it this way, that don't always have time to maybe cook, and you know, while away in the kitchen, you guys know crock pot. Crock pot is like the new in thing where you can just add up all your ingredients, have it cooking, and the amazing thing about this one is it's under $100, guys. Look at this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I saw it, I was like, whoa, under $100, definitely. So yeah, if you're thinking of that perfect, thoughtful, meaningful gift, definitely gifting your loved one a crock pot is way to go. Yes, since we are talking about home, I have this set of frying pan. Yeah, of course it's a set of three-piece frying pan, but you can use it to cook also. As you guys can see, I have the big one. It's so pretty. I love the color. I love it's kind of a neutral beige, which I absolutely love. And then I have the medium and the small one, and these are all a set. Okay, since we are talking about home, guys, I have the Bravio machine, and I don't have it physically here, but I'm going to place it right here, guys. And listen, if you have a coffee lover, somebody that loves coffee, giving that person, you know, a thoughtful gift, a meaningful gift like a coffee machine is always way to go. And as you guys can see from the video, I just, you know, I love my new Bravio machine, guys. I'm a coffee lover. I'm the type of person that when I wake up in the morning and I don't have my coffee, best believe, like, we are not friends. Like, there's just this feeling of waking up in the morning and having your coffee go down your throat, go down your system. It feels so good. So yeah, coffee machine, thoughtful gifts, and also I have my Dyson vacuum. You guys, if you've been following my channel for such a long time, you know that my Dyson machine is like everything to me when it comes to keeping my home clean. This is the V15S Detect Submarine machine, guys. Absolutely love my vacuum. You know, like I was saying, if you have a family member or if you want to give thoughtful gifts, something that helps people to keep a clean home, it's a very nice, like, meaningful, thoughtful gift. And this is something that you can go ahead and gift, you know, your loved one. I'm in love. I'm gonna put a video by the side so you guys can see it up close and personal. But you see this, when it comes to hosting, you guys know this is hosting season, so having something that It's so cute on your dining table. It's amazing, guys. And with this right here, you can use it for your entree. You can use this for maybe your salad, you know. You can use it for maybe your main dish, you know, everything. You can use this for any and everything. And I have another dishware right here, and this is more like, you know, if you're serving your turkey, you know, this right here is like a baking dish. I absolutely love it. It also has the same design going on with the bowl I just showed you guys, but this is more like on the tray side, and it's gonna be perfect, you know, for your hosting needs, for maybe baking. This right here, immediately I saw it, I said, listen, mac and cheese is gonna look so freaking cute on, you know, on this dish right here. And yeah, I love it. I love the color. It's just perfect, you know, for hosting. Now going down to your hosting needs, you guys know you can never go wrong with a cup. As you guys can see, this one came in a pack of 6, which is absolutely like the perfect size when it comes to your dining table. You know, if you're doing your tablescape, or if you have guests, or it's always like 6-seater or 12-seater, it all depends. But this is like so cute. Look at this. I love the glass. I mean, you can never go wrong with giving, you know, someone a thoughtful gift like a wine glass. Come on. And this one right here is so chic, it's so sleek. I love the structure of it. It doesn't have too many things going on with it, but it still stands out. This one comes in a set of 4, and I love the ombre of it. Look at this, guys. Can you guys see? The other one I showed you guys, it doesn't have this, but I just love the fact that this one comes with an ombre effect on it. Look, so pretty, so super duper pretty. I love it. You know how like when you put your dining all together, your tablescape is looking so good, but then going ahead to add something like this is kind of a saucer. I would say this is like a saucepan, you know, if there is any appetizer. And I love the fact that it comes in a Christmas look, a Christmas design. As you guys can see, this one is shaped like a bus or a car. This one is shaped like a train with Santa on them. Still speaking of your dining, guys, I just love this plate charger right here. Look at this. The gold. I mean, if you know me, you know I'm a sucker when it comes to gold. You know, anything with gold, I just love. But this in particular, I love the way it just like it fits so well into my dining, my tablescape. And of course, I have this 12-piece dinnerware right here. It comes with a bowl, it comes with the flat plates, and then it comes with this one right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Like sometimes when I'm filming with my ring light, it washes the colors out. But like I said, the video by the side is going to give you a clear kind of view of the whole things I'm showing right here. Of course, you can never go wrong with giving somebody a gift that is going to make their home smell really nice and amazing. And I have this Jo Malone diffuser right here, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Like, I can't wait to put this on and just open it up so that my home can, you know, smell. Oh my gosh, I haven't opened it, guys. Just smelling it up close like this, I can smell it, guys. And of course, you guys know Jo Malone. They are known for really great quality fragrances, whether it's your perfume, your diffuser, your candles. Their products are always very top notch, guys. I also have this replica candle. Come on, if you know replica, guys, you know that replica is one brand that their products can smell for days. Like whenever I have on my replica perfume, guys, it smells for days. So imagine the candle. So I have this candle set right here. It comes in a 3-pack, and it's, oh my gosh, this smells amazing. And it's a replica of the perfume. It's replica, the brand is replica, but what I'm trying to say is like they have the perfume. If you have a perfume, there's also a candle for whatever perfume you have from replica. This smells so good. And this one is by the fireplace. This one says lazy Sunday morning. Oh, this one smells so good, guys. I wish you guys can smell this. And you know, as you guys can see, they come in a sample. I feel like this is a perfect way. This one is called bubble bait. This is gonna be perfect in the bathroom. But you know, getting samples I feel like getting samples is a perfect way to try out the fragrance, see how you like it before then going ahead to buy the larger size. So this is like the sample size, and it comes in a pack of 3. If you have a family that you want to gift, you know, a beauty product, this is definitely going to be a perfect gift, you know, to get the person. It comes in a pack of 2. This I'm in love with the shade. When I saw the shade, I was like, it looks so good. So this one is called Make Me Blush Liquid Blush. I know it looks like a lip gloss, but it's actually a blush, guys. And with liquid blush, you don't need to do too much. Honestly, you don't need to do too much. Just a little goes a long way. I usually would love to put it on my palm, kind of at the back of my palm, kind of dilute it, and then, you know, apply it on my cheeks. It's just me applying it right here. It's just, even though it's just a little, I put on my, you know, on the back of my palm, but I can still see a very nice flush of pink, you know, at the back of my palm. You can never go wrong with an earphone when it comes to a gift for the holiday season. You guys know I love my headphones. This one is from Bass USA, and yeah, it's just, I got this for our nephew, right? I got this for one of our nephews, so I didn't go ahead and open it up yet, but this is gonna make a great gift idea for your loved one, and it's under $100. Like I said, everything you guys have seen today is gonna be linked in my description box, so definitely try and check that out. And yep, you guys, I just said let me quickly stop by and share some amazing holiday gift guide or gift ideas, so that, you know, if you're still shopping, you can probably pick up 1 or 2 things from here. And yep, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and till my next one, I will see you all very soon. Bye.